Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist in private practice in Bangalore from the last 18 years. What do you do when your teenager wants to experiment with makeup? Usually, it's at the age of teenage when the children are discovering their own identity and then they are fascinated by this world of makeup and they want to try this. Now, there are two aspects to this. There is the dermatological and safety aspect, and then there is the psychological aspect. So, let me talk to you about the safety aspect. Most makeup products, they may contain things which are more sensitizing and irritating to a child's skin. So though the person is a teenager, their skin is still not that of an adult and they might be more sensitive. So products may cause dryness, irritation, and it may cause some kind of inflammation in their skin. So choose products which are gentle on all skin types. That is number one. Second, avoid products which have talc, which have BHA, avoid products which have got lead, mercury, urea. So look at the content and then buy the product for the child. Third, also if the products can be minimized, then that is something that you can encourage your child to do. Second thing that I was telling you about the psychological aspect, because at this time they are growing more aware of their own body, they want to be accepted. Speak to them and understand why they want to use the product. Is it peer pressure? Are they feeling uncomfortable about some part of their body? And then give them encouraging, non-judgmental advice like, I think that you look great even with or without makeup, and I like that you're experimenting with makeup. So these kind of tips could help build your child's self-confidence. These are the things that you should look out if your teenager is starting to experiment with makeup. I hope this has been helpful. Keep watching Dr. Circle.